Hello, my name is Abiar and my friend is Yasmin. We are going to talk about Colombia. The name of the Republic of Colombia originates in the honor of the founder of America, Christopher Columbus. It is located in the northwest of South America at the coast of Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. It also has jurisdiction above a part of Amazons. Therefore, Colombia is called the fatherland of three seas. The capital of Colombia is Bogota, which forms the district of the capital. It is also the capital of the region Cundinamarca. It is a metropolis with more than 8 million of inhabitants, and it is second biggest city in South America. Bogota is the political and cultural center of Colombia. Its population comes from all regions of Colombia and also hosts an increasing number of expats from many countries, making the city a great place to find a diverse offering of cultural activities, museums, historic buildings, and a varied offering of gastronomy and nightlife for almost every taste. Popayán is the place. This beautiful city, known as the White City of Colombia for its chalk white buildings, is famous for its Holy Week celebrations and for its gastronomy. The Holy Week celebrations are the second largest in the world and were declared by UNESCO as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible patrimony of humanity. Popayán was also declared by the UNESCO as the first city of gastronomy because of its variety of food and meaning to the intangible patrimony of Colombian culture. Medellin is the second largest city in Colombia and the third most visited one after Cartagena and Bogota. It is called the city of the eternal spring because of its excellent weather. Medellin is also the only city in Colombia with a metro transport system, and it is also very famous for its flowers festival held in early August. Colombia is the 55th largest export economy in the world and the 53rd most complex economy, according to the Economic Complexity Index. The top exports of Colombia are crude petroleum, coal briquette, coffee, refined petroleum, and gold. Colombia is a large exporter of tropical fruits, nuts, and grains. Exports of bananas, rice, cacao beans, and oil seeds amount to about 2.5% of all exports. Steel and iron exports constitute 1.6% of Colombia's exports. Most of the products are industrial-grade material for manufacturing and construction industries.
The climate of Colombia is characterized for being tropical, presenting variation within 6 natural regions, and depending on the altitude, temperature, humidity, winds, and rainfall. The diversity of climate zones in Colombia is characterized for having tropical rainforests, savannas, steppes, deserts, and mountain climates. Colombia is one of the mega-diverse countries in biodiversity, ranking first in bird species. As for plants, the country has between 40,000 and 45,000 plant species, equivalent to 10 or 20% of total global species, which is even more remarkable given that Colombia is considered a country of intermediate size. Colombia is the second most biodiverse country in the world, lagging only after Brazil, which is approximately 7 times bigger. Colombia has 10% of the world mammal species, 40% of amphibian species, and 80% of the bird species of the world. The highest peak is at 5,700 meters in the Sierra Nevada. La Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta is an impressive mountain range nestled on the Caribbean coast of Colombia. The Peak Pico column reaches 5,700 meters above sea level and is the highest mountain in Colombia. Also, there are 2 coastlines in Colombia, the Pacific and the Caribbean. Colombia shares a land border with 5 countries including Panama, Venezuela, Brazil, Ecuador, Peru. The history of the border between Panama and Colombia goes back to 1508, when a royal decree was issued to use a river trato to separate 2 colonial governorships. Colombia's longest boundary is the one it shares with Venezuela, which is approximately 1,378 miles long. Incidentally, the boundary is also Venezuela's longest land border.